Bonjour, grade 8 students. This year we are seeing Enchanté 4 textbook. Last video we started revising the basic of French grammar. In that video lesson you learned the gender noun, masculine and feminine. Similar to noun, French verb are divided into three groups. Verbs ending in er, verbs ending in ir, verbs ending in re, and irregular verb. Forming simple sentences in French where uses the same subject, verb, object, word order like English. Finally, you learned how to make negative sentences in French. In the end of the video, I had given you a homework of making a booklet. Hope you enjoy doing it. Do share the picture of your booklet with me. Now we are going to see French articles in this video. We have two type of articles. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. In French, it is défini and indéfini. Indefinite articles means that the quantity is defined, and in indefinite articles the quantity is undefined. We use definite articles when we have to use the word the, and we use indefinite articles when we have to use the word a. Now we will go a little deep into definite article. The definite article in French means l'article défini. In English, the definite article is always the noun. Unlike English, the French definite article is used also in a general sense, a general statement or feeling about an idea or things. In French, the definite article is depend on the noun gender. The English definite article is the and has four French equivalent: le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. For example, when we have a singular and masculine word, we use le. Le garçon, le restaurant, les livres, les chiens. Where garçon, restaurant, livre, and chien are singular and masculine, so we use le. When we have singular and feminine words, we use la. La fille, la table, la famille, la voiture. Where fille, table, famille, and voiture are singular and feminine, so we use la. When we have singular and masculine or feminine words, which vowels are when H is silent in the first letter of the word, we use L apostrophe. L'animal, l'hôtel, l'ordinateur, l'argent. Where animal, l'ordinateur, and argent are beginning in vowels, and hotel where H is silent. All of them are singular and masculine or feminine words, so we use L apostrophe. When we have plural words which are masculine or feminine, we use les. Les voitures, les tables, les chiens, les familles. Where voiture, table, chien, and famille are plural words which are masculine or feminine, so we use les. Now we will go a little deep into indefinite article. The indefinite article in French means l'article indéfini. In French, indéfini article take on the gender of the noun. It precedes if singular, but also as a plural form that is used for both the gender. In English, we use am for singular and masculine word, where in English we use a and an. In French, we use une for singular and feminine words, where in English we use a and an. In French, we use de for plural and masculine and feminine words, where in English we use some. For example, when we have singular and masculine words, we use an homme, un livre, un ami, un soleil, where homme, livre, ami, and soleil are singular and masculine words. So we use un. When we have singular and feminine words, we use une femme, une voiture, une école, une décision, where femme, voiture, école, and décision are singular and feminine words. So we use une. When we have plural and masculine or feminine words, we use de. Des hommes, des femmes, des amis, des voitures, des livres, where homme, femme, ami, voiture, and livres are plural and masculine or feminine words. So we use the. Well done. We have seen clearly about definite and indefinite articles. Now let's see about less article partitive. Partitive article are placed before an uncountable noun or impressive quantitative. There are four forms of partitive article in French. They are du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and they. These correspond to some or any, which are often omitted in English. Choosing which one to use depend on the gender, number, and first letter of the noun that follow. Du is used for masculine singular. De la is used for feminine singular. De l'apostrophe is used for vowels, and the for masculine or feminine plural. The partitive article refer to an unspecified quantity of food, liquid, or some other uncountable noun. English has no equivalent articles. The partitive is usually translated by the adjective some or any, or may be left out of entirely. For example, du pain. Pain is bread. Pain is a masculine singular, so we use du. De la confiture. Confiture is jam. Confiture is a feminine singular, so we use de la. De l'eau. O is water. O is a vowel word, so we use de le. Apostrophe. Then we have de fruit. Fruit is fruit. De fruit is a plural word, so we use de. Now we will see article contracte. Article contracte in English, it is contracted articles. First, let's see what article contracte is. They are formed by combining a preposition a or the and the definite article. The definite article in English are le, la, l apostrophe, and le, which means the in English, and preposition a, which means to, at, in English, contracted to form the contracted articles. All these contracted articles can be translated as to the, at the, or in the. In a, we have o, ala, al apostrophe, and o. So, as I have already mentioned, articles contracted are formed by joining the preposition and a definite article. Here we have o is formed by joining preposition a, masculine singular, and article le. Example, au théâtre. Allah is formed by joining preposition a, feminine singular, and definite article la. Example, à la piscine. All apostrophe is formed by joining preposition a and definite article l apostrophe. Example, à l'opéra. O is formed by joining preposition a, plural masculine and feminine, and definite articles les. Example, aux enfants. Now in the we have du, de la, del apostrophe and they. So I have already mentioned articles contracted are formed by joining the preposition and a definite article. Here we have du is formed by preposition the, masculine singular, and definite article le. Example, du roi. De la is formed by joining preposition the, feminine singular, and definite article la. Example, de la fille. Del apostrophe is formed by joining preposition the and definite article l apostrophe. Example, de l'homme. They is formed by joining preposition the, plural masculine and feminine, and definite article les. Example, des enfants. Great. Let's recap what we have learned today. We saw about articles in this video. We have two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. In French, it is défini and indéfini. In défini, we have le, la, l apostrophe, les. In indéfini, we have un, une, des. Then we saw les articles partitifs, du, de, del apostrophe, and they. Article contracté. They are formed by combining a preposition a or the and the definite article. Here we use preposition a and the. By this we come to the end of the article in French. Now let's see adjectives in French. The basic meaning of adjective is a word which describes the noun. La position des adjectives. Generally speaking, most French adjectives come after the noun they are describing. However, there are exceptions. Some adjectives come before the noun, while there are others that change their meaning depending on whether they come before or after. Let's see where to place the adjective in French. Usually, the adjective comes after the noun it is describing. Example, le lac gelé means the frozen lake. Colors also come after the noun. Example, le tableau noir means the blackboard. Short, often used adjective generally comes before the noun. Beau, bon, bref, grand, gros, faux, haut, jeune, joli, mauvais, meilleur, nouveau, petit, vieux. Example, la jolie fleur means the beautiful flower. If a noun is accompanied by two or more adjectives, they are placed after the noun if they are connected by a conjunction such as mais, donc, or, car, et, ou, ni, etc. Example, elle avait un visage beau mais sévère means she had a beautiful but stern face. If they are not connected, they frame the noun. Example, elle portait une grande jupe bleue means she wore a white blue skirt. Some adjective can come either before or after the noun, but their placement change their meaning. Example: un homme grand means a tall man. A grand homme means a great man. Adjectives of color. Adjective indicate forms and shape, and adjective which indicate nationality are placed after the noun. Adjectives of color is les adjectifs de couleur in French. For example, le livre brun means the brown book. Adjectives of form is les adjectifs de forme in French. For example, une porte étroite, which means a narrow door. Adjectives of nationality is les adjectifs de nationalité in French. For example, un étudiant français, which means a French student. Short descriptive adjective are les adjectifs courts in French. They comes before the noun. For better understanding, now let's see la position des adjectives in this table. Ancien. When ancien come before a noun, it is former. When ancien come after a noun, it is old. For example, mon ancien maison means my former house. Une maison ancienne means an ancient house. Certain. When certain comes before a noun, it is certain, particular. When certain comes after a noun, it is certain, sure. For example, un certain âge means a certain age. J'en suis certain. I am certain of it. Share. When share comes before a noun, it is dear. When share comes after a noun, it is expensive. For example, cher ami means dear friend. And livre cher means an expensive book. Prochain. When prochain comes before a noun, it is next. When it is happen again. When prochain comes after a noun, it is next. Soon coming. For example, la prochaine fois means the next time. La semaine prochaine means next week. Now we are going to see les adjective possessive, les adjective demonstrative, and l'adjective to. Les adjective possessive, which means possessive adjective. We put mon, ton, son, notre, votre, and leur before the noun starting with vowels. We will get more clarity from the table. For J, masculine singular is mon, feminine singular is ma, and masculine or feminine plural is me. For tu, masculine singular is ton, feminine singular is ta, and masculine or feminine plural is te. For il or al, masculine singular is son, feminine singular is sa, and masculine or feminine plural is se. For nous, masculine singular is notre, feminine singular is notre, and masculine or feminine plural is nous. For vous, masculine singular is votre, feminine singular is votre, and masculine or feminine plural is ou. For il or al, masculine singular is leur, feminine singular is leur, and masculine or feminine plural is leur. For example, mon oncle travaille chez NASA. which means my uncle works at NASA. Leur maison est très grande, which means their house is very big. La France est mon pays favori, which means France is my favorite country. Les adjectives demonstrative, which means demonstrative adjective. The demonstrative adjective are used to modify noun in order to point at specific people or things. For masculine singular noun, we use se. For example, ce monsieur ne parle pas beaucoup, which means this gentleman does not speak much. For masculine singular, devant une voyelle noun, we use cet. For example, cet homme vient du Canada, which means this home is from Canada. For feminine singular noun, we use cette. For example, cette horloge ne marche pas, which means this clock does not work. For masculine or feminine plural noun, we use ces. For example, ces femmes sont très belles, which means these humans are very beautiful. L'adjective tout. The tout adjective is used in to mean all or all. The two adjective agree with the number and gender of the noun. The four form of two are: we use two for masculine singular, we use tooth for feminine singular, we use two for masculine plural, we use two for feminine plural. For example, tout le monde means whole world. Tout le garçon means all the boys. Toute la ville means whole city. Toute la femme means all the women. Tout ce gâteau means this whole cake or whole cake. Tout ce bateau means all these boats. Toutes ces villes means this whole city. Toutes ces femmes means all these women. Always note that to is always followed by definite article or possessive article. Well done. Now let's recap what we have seen today. We saw articles, adjective, and in adjective we saw la posición des adjectifs. Les adjectifs possessive. Les adjectives demonstrative. And l'adjective to. Now homework for you. Les articles partitifs. Fill in the correct articles partitif. Je mange salade. J'achète eau minérale. Safina apporte fruit. Il veut baguette. Beurre. Les articles contractés. Fill in the correct article contracté. Il parle étudiant. Je vais marche. Nous parlons Paul. Ils vont opéra. Mes amis vont discothèque. Les articles contractés. Due. Fill in the correct articles contractés. C'est le livre étudiant. C'est l'école Juliette. La voiture Professeur et Noir. Les cartables l'élève sont lourds. La robe cette fille est belle. Do this homework. With the answer of this, we will meet in the next video. Merci. Au revoir.